Let's clean it with some spirit and we are ready to paint. I decided to use chalk mineral paint and we'll be doing 2 coats. Same procedure for the headpiece. Starting to paint edges of the decor first, making an easier flow in my opinion. We'll use hemp oil as a finish, really like those rugs from furniture clinics. After covering the piece, I let it sit for about 30 minutes and then I wipe it off. I applied 2 coats of finish now, so it would be easier to clean up glue during the next step. Same procedure for the headpiece. Apply, wait, wipe off. Ooh, that's looking good. Alright, now it is time to put the dowels in. We also have this guy over here. See, that's what I was talking about, cleaning up the glue. Now I'm gonna give it another coat of hemp oil. And that's what we got. Stay tuned to see it all coming together.